The General Board of Higher Education and Ministry's mission is to lead and connect the educational and ministerial life of the United Methodist Church.
To ensure that our mission becomes reality, we will need to focus on the following strategic priorities.
We will become drivers of innovation.
We will champion a culture of call.
We will be a center of ministry excellence,
a high-performance team
with a strong organizational health
and firm connectional relationships.
We will act as leaders in the intellectual life of the church
and leaders of educational access.
Our vision is that we will continue to transform the world through the power of education and ministry in the Methodist tradition.
We will serve God and the worldwide church in recruiting, nurturing, and educating lay and clergy leaders who seek wisdom and live ethically as God's peacemakers.
With 69 active staff and over 364 collective years of service,
Higher Education and Ministry serves across 6 continents
in 90 countries
and supports over 1,000 institutions.
In our 150th year, help us celebrate the work that God is doing through higher education and ministry.
I think in general, just coming to work for the General Board of Higher Education and Ministry has been a milestone in itself. Coming to an environment where we are open to share our faith with those around us and then those that we serve has been a true blessing in my life.
What excites me about working for GBHEM is the opportunity to marry my professional strengths and talents with my faith, and it gives me the opportunity to serve others and have a ministry at the same time.
One of the things that's been great about working at the Higher Education and Ministry is seeing the connection in action. And it's just fantastic to be able to know that the Connectional Church is actually connecting worldwide.
When I go to different countries and see how Methodism is being spread all over, for instance, Central America, I can see how Methodism is so important and the connections that we have with other communities outside of the United States.
I am most excited about the opportunities to be creative in your ministry and to provide access to higher education to those who cannot otherwise.
My excitement about work is really about the people I work with and for, and who we get to interact with daily.
I really enjoy working at Higher Education and Ministry because I get to help connect people throughout the church and throughout our agency to better tell our story of leadership in the United Methodist Church.
Happy anniversary, Higher Education and Ministry.
Happy anniversary, Higher Education and Ministry.
Happy anniversary, Higher Education and Ministry.